Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change parent state value in child in React.js. Yeah, let's start. Here, this is the parent component and this is child component, and also I'm running this project. Yeah, let's start. I'm going to create one state. Const, this is show, set show, and here I'm going to create use state. Use state. Initially the use state value is false. After that, I'm going to copy this state, because I'm going to import that state before this text. Here I'm going to import this. Yeah, it's imported here. After that, I'm going to pass this state value and set state value to the child. Here this is value. Here I'm going to pass this show, this show. Okay, I'm going to pass this set show value here. Handle change. I'm going to pass that state value, set state value here, and save this. After that, here I'm going to get that to value as props here, and I'm going to copy this, and after that I'm going to console this value, props. Go here, I'm going to refresh the screen. Yeah, go to browser. Here I'm going to right click and inspect. Initially the state value is false. Okay, and also we got the handle change function, set state. Okay, so copy this, and after that here I'm going to create one break tag, and here I'm going to create one button, change button. Here I'm going to create one on click. Here I'm going to pass that, here props dot this handle change. This is the set state, right? Here you need to pass this props dot value, that is the state value. We are going to change the state value, okay, into true to false. Okay, here we change that, and here I'm going to refresh the screen again. Initially the state value is false. If I click this button, the state value is changed to true. Again I'm click, it's simultaneously true and false. It's changing, right? Here I'm going to show this text depends upon the state value. Okay, here yeah, I'm going to save this file and refresh again. Yeah, if I click this button, this text is showing, this state value is also changed to true, and if I click again, yeah, this text is not showing. Yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. Yeah, bye bye.